This is Adil Khan, the stem cell doctor to the stars.
Kim and Khloe Kardashian had stem cells done with me in Mexico. All the headlines are saying that these are illegal in the US. This is not quite true.
Here he is with Gary Lynham, a convicted felon who was sentenced to 4 years in jail for drug trafficking and, upon release, reinvented himself as a biohacker under the brand Human Garage. In this video, they're talking about Khan's signature stem cell treatment.
Like for me, they're expensive to just purchase from the manufacturer. Right. So these are what are called Dazawa Mu cells, which is from the Japanese scientists who discovered them and the company that owns the patent.
That brown vial, which looks to me like a horse suppository, is what Khan's reel identifies as stem cells, which means that it's some sort of variation of the brew that almost killed the functional medicine doctor Mark Hyman.
Because I almost died.
Not only that, but when I showed the picture to the company that invented the specific type of stem cells that Khan promotes, they were unequivocal. If Khan was calling these Muse stem cells, then they were counterfeits. Writing,
"This is certainly not a licensed MCI product. MCI DMC have never been sold or stored in tubes comparable to what the nurse is holding."
Over the last 2 months, I've dug into the background of the world's most visible stem cell huckster. According to the records I've uncovered, he started out as a sports medicine doctor who worked his way up, selling weight loss drugs on online portals, through advising on, quote, science-based supplements on bodybuilding websites, to running fly-by-night stem cell clinics on 4 continents. And he's making a lot of people sick. For this report, I've spoken with patients who barely survived his treatments.
On the fly, right before I went in for the procedure, he changed the protocol.
I've combed through podcasts of wellness influencers who spilled the tea.
So I called Dr. Khan. I'm like, hey, something's wrong with Katrina. She doesn't sound right. And he's like, yeah, well, it's kind of normal, this and that. There's an immune response, 24 to 48 hours. I said, yeah, I don't think so. I said, she's going sepsis.
And I can't make this up. Even in court records in the legal case between Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively.
And I just wasn't sure what the results would be. Because like everyone else, you see this stuff on social media and you're just not sure what's real and what's not.
He said he got stem cells in Cabo, so that's probably why he has an infection now.
We're going to inject stem cells in there to calm down the inflammation.
You got a janky-ass procedure from a strange-ass doctor in Mexico. You get what you paid for.
All the evidence points in the same direction. Something is rotten at the stem cell clinic to the stars.